The Voice of Kibera workshop held at Karanja Road was a success. The workshop saw people turn up from various organizations such as AMREF, Carolina for Kibera, among others. The passage of information has been made quite easier by the use of SMS to alert residents on what's going on around them.
My name is Jamie Lundeen. I'm involved with the Map Kibera and Voice of Kibera project. Right now, the Voice of Kibera is an interactive website and a community media strategy for the people of Kibera. So when you are able to access the internet at the cyber, you don't just see media from around the world, you also see something that's created by your local community. And Voice of Kibera can be accessed through mobile phone by sending an SMS to 3002 with the word Kibera, or logging on to voiceofkibera.org.
All we're trying to do is make it easier for them to get information. So say right now, if I was reporting a rape, maybe I have to go all the way to their place to report it, I have to fill. It may take 2 days, but this time, if something happened to me and I want to report, I can do it right away. It'll go to them and then they can call me back or follow up in the appropriate manner.
So people around the world on Twitter are talking about Kibera. They may not necessarily be in Kibera, but maybe we're interested in hearing what are people in the global community saying about Kibera.
But that's for them to decide if they want, how they want to do it. But that's the idea. Same thing for different health or different security or different issues. Even, you know, issues that don't seem as critical. If people who respond to those want to get on board, then we can start making a whole of you're the sender and I'm the one who can do something, and then
And we want to bring communities together not only on the internet but also offline. In community meetings that we just held a workshop today to train people on what is Voice of Kibera and how they can get involved.
What are people in Kibera saying about where they live?
Sure. If it said something much more sensitive like or dangerous like a fire or a flood or something like that, what we've done in the past, we haven't at this point received too many like that, but when we have, the team has actually followed up on it.
So there's often, you know, in the news in Kenya and internationally, you hear bad stories about Kibera, about violence, about poor sanitation, about, you know, defilement of young girls and so on, but you don't necessarily also hear the good things that are happening in Kibera.
We want to hear about the issues in Kibera and make it a site. Our editorial board, they're all from Kibera. There are also people who are committed to making Kibera a better place and also sharing stories from Kibera with the rest of the world.
Maybe we can have like an education on how to use the site for those who don't know how to use computers. Maybe it will help improve people's access to the site.
I first congratulate you for whatever you are doing, but I hope we will support you to the latter. And to the end, we shall always embrace the efforts towards making Kibera a modernized community so that we can change the negative perspective kind of view that the outside world have towards Kibera. The most literate people and the learned come from Kibera, and the most technical and technically skilled people who work in different career opportunities come from Kibera. So Kibera is composed of different classes of people. So when you come here, come that you know that you will work with the people of Kibera to make Kibera a better place.